Hi guys, I'm Tomi and welcome back to Tomi Teaches AI Excel. Today I'll show you how to create drop-down lists in Excel so your spreadsheets look cleaner and are easier to use. Okay, step 1. Type a short list somewhere in the sheet. For example, maths, English, and biology. Next, you're going to click the cell where you want the drop-down, so right there. Then you're going to go to data validation. And under allow, you're going to click list. And for the source, you're going to press the upload button and then pick where you put the cells with your example in it and tap that. And then you're going to press OK. And now you test your drop down. Now I have a drop down list that saves time and stops typing mistakes. We can also do one for the status. You can put in a different cell, done, not done. Then you tap on that cell. Then you go to data validation, list, update the cells as the source. Then you press OK. And there you have it. You have a drop down list for status. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. Next lesson, I'll be teaching you about the logic functions in Excel. But that's all for today. Bye now.